We need to arrive in a destination, perform, leave on a Sunday night, travel to the next destination, be ready to perform straight away. You need to adapt as quickly as possible, and I've found light is the #1 way to do that. When I arrive in my hotel room after a long flight, I'm looking to rest, recover, to be ready to perform at my best. So let's check out a few things I adjust. Temperature is really important to me. I like having a cold room set to 18 degrees to help me sleep at night. Lighting is very important for me, especially when I'm dealing with jet lag. So the two things I'm looking for when I get into a hotel room are the blackout blinds and dim lighting. Well, we're so fortunate that we stay in a hotel as great as this one because it's got the Dynalite products here, so it's controlling the temperature, the light, the curtains. So, you know, with a click of a button, you've got your curtains closing, you've got the lights at the right dimmable condition and brightness. The temperature's nice and cool before bedtime, and equally when I wake up and you want to be seeking that light, again, at the click of a button, all the curtains are open, you can get the lights on nice and bright and ready to start your day. You can absolutely use the products for not only making you feel better and having the light positively impact your mood, but also helping you sleep as you're winding down in the evening. So definitely a big opportunity there.